Hey guys, welcome back to Water Adventures. Today we're going to do a catch and cook challenge off of this boat in Greece. Look how blue the water is. You can see straight to the bottom. It's so clear. Now we're heading to a beach nearby to do some snorkeling. We've now dropped the anchor in and now we're going to do some swimming. Okay guys, let's attach the bait to the hook now. I'm just going to use salami. I know it's not the best bait, but I think it'll work. I filmed it wrong. A time lapse of me cruising along the coast. Guys, I've just found another cave. Looks like a bit of a cave. So yeah. Guys, it's so nice. Guys, I found some more caves. That over there, that is the one I went in my last video. So I've got the rod in and I've taken off the salami and I've put some bread on. I'm just testing that out because I think I've seen a few different fish here like mullet and stuff that go for bread. So yeah. We're now heading back to the harbour. Okay guys, this is the end of the video now. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps me out so much. And I'll see you in the next video.